weche tuke mniri ruok matayo tuke adhula pacho ka endi Football Kenya Federation oketo kogi ogirimiti gi kar tiegruok mar tuke adhula Acakoro mar tiego nyithindo matindo kokalo tuke mag adhula. Ogirimiti ma kama endi e bire kinde ma Kenya osebedo gi pek mar yudo jotugo matindo manigi puonjruok madwarore e tuke adhula. Gino manonenore ayanga e kinde mane Kenya nodhi choko e tuke manyo otiko tuke pinje Afrika, jotugo ma higni piny mar 17. Acakoro ma en kar tiegruok tuke adhula kendo osebedo pacho ka endi kuom thuolo malach nigi ting' mar tiego jotugo mabiro donjo e team Kenya, jotugo ma higni 15 gi 17.
In correcting the gap in a way that is both historic and transformative. This agreement establishes Kenya's first residential high-performance system for youth football, a model inspired by global best practice and adapted to our own context. Beginning this December 2025, FKF and Acakoro will jointly scout the best 2011 born players across 5 regions nationwide. The top players identified through this process will earn full scholarship to live, learn, and train at Acakoro's 25-acre academy in Homa Bay.
The most important thing about this project now is the legacy. And the most important legacy is that Kenya will, for the first time, have a high-performance model that can be replicated in other counties, for other age groups, and also for girls' football as well.
And I'll urge other structured academies to come on board and partner with our federation FKF, and to give this youth a sporting chance and to identify them to go into to be great in their careers.